Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to review a tool that I genuinely think could change how you create presentation and visual documents. It's called Gamma.app. If you're really tired of spending hours in PowerPoint or Canva just to make something that barely looks decent, you're gonna want to stick around for this one. We are diving into what Gamma is, how it works, the good, the bad, and the ugly, and whether it's worth using in 2025. Let's get started. But if you're new to this channel, then please hit that subscribe button before continuing. Well, so what exactly Gamma is? Well, it is a web-based tool that helps you create modern presentations and documents, but unlike traditional slide tools, it uses card-based system instead of slides. That means you're not stuck micromanaging layouts or just juggling design elements. You just add content and Gamma makes it look good for you. Now, the first impression what I feel is the interface is just super clean. No clutter, no distraction, pretty user friendly. You get a dashboard where all your projects are, and starting a new one is as easy as clicking the new Gamma. What I really love is everything is either drag and drop or accessible with simple commands just like Notion. No piles of toolbars like PowerPoint. It just works smoothly. Let's get into the feature because this is where Gamma really shines. The first best feature what I feel is its multi-format content creation. That means it's different products. In Gamma, you can build a presentation or a pitch deck like PowerPoint or Canva. Create a one-click website or a landing page. You can also create shareable social posts, carousels, stories, or infographics. And also you can create a documents like ebook, training guide, or white paper, all from the same content base, and it's a huge time saver. Another feature is it's all in one editor. It's just same drag and drop feature. It's AI powered interface for every format. Whether you're building a document or a website or a presentation or you're creating a social media post, it's just the same workflow, just a different output. Another best feature what I feel is its card-based design. Instead of creating slides like in PowerPoint, you create cards. Each card is a self-contained block of content. You can just scroll through them like a document, web page, or present them slide by slide just like a PowerPoint. Another feature is its built-in AI generator. Yes, you can literally type a short prompt just like ChatGPT, like create a pitch deck for an IT startup, and Gamma's AI will generate the full outline and content for you. Another good feature of Gamma is it has beautiful templates to select from. Even if you start from scratch, there are tons of professional templates, all optimized for mobile and web viewing. And the best part is, after creating, if you don't like the template, you can just change it in just one click. Another feature which I personally really like is its collaboration capabilities, in which you can add other team members or friends or even clients or vendors, and anyone can comment, share feedback, or even co-edit in real time, just like in Google Docs. Now let's talk about who is this Gamma for. You might have a question whether is it the right tool for you? Well, honestly, I believe it's a super versatile tool and it has something for almost everyone. If you're a startup founder, this is a perfect for a pitch decks. If you're a creator or freelancer, you can use it for media posts, stories, carousels. If you're a designer or photographer, you can create a portfolio. If you want to sell an app or software or an online courses, you can create a landing page. If you're in education field, then I think this is amazing for creating some interactive lesson plans, training guides, or creating other documents. I mean, these are some just few examples that I can think of right now, but practically, as I said, it is for everyone. That's what I feel. Gamma actually makes your content feel more like modern, responsive, and not an old school slideshow and those typical boring designs that we used to see way back in 2010, 2012. But like no tool is perfect, same is the case for Gamma. There are some imperfections which we will talk about soon. First, let's break down the pros and cons very quickly. The good thing about Gamma is, the first, it's dead simple to use. It's just like click and done. Very user-friendly interface. Most of the things are automated, so you just have to tell what you want and it will be done in fraction of time. Another good thing is it automatically creates some beautiful designs for you, thanks to the inbuilt templates, which make your life simple and in no time creates beautiful and clean looking designs for you. It's great mobile and web sharing features where you can share a link or download in PDF, PPT, or directly share it to the LinkedIn. And last thing, it is really fast and smooth interface, which I feel is pretty user friendly and easy to learn. By the way, before we talk about the cons, if you are really enjoying this video, do hit the like button. It really goes a long way and help a lot. And also hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet done. And don't forget to share this video with someone who needs it. Now let's talk about the cons or the downside of Gamma. Well, I personally feel that this tool is still growing. I mean, there's a lot of space for improvement. It's a great tool, but I feel a few advanced features are still missing. Like it has limited customization and layout controls. Like you can't fully customize layouts like you can do in Figma, Canva, or PowerPoint. It has very limited flexibility in combining different card layouts on the same page. So it's pretty fast but lack professional level designing for those who know designing well, and it has less control over fine tuning the layout. Another issue is it is fully cloud and web based and no offline mode, which makes it a little difficult sometimes and less flexible, especially if internet is unstable or you want to use it on the go. However, I think it's not the deal breaker as internet is pretty much available everywhere nowadays. Another issue I feel is its generic output. Yes, AI output can feel generic. While it's great for structure and speed, it often feels more generic in tone and doesn't understand the brand voice. I observed that sometimes it repeats ideas and creates filler content. There is no fine tuning, no tone selection or section by section improvement options. So you still need a human proofreading and editing for quality output. Another issue which I personally faced was it has very limited animation and motion effects. Gamma doesn't support advanced transition or animation between cards or elements. No timeline control or custom animation paths. So if you're doing storytelling or product demos and looking for some advanced animation and some nice and smooth transitions, you might not really like it. But honestly, I feel these are some very minor cons or downside for most of the people as compared to the speed and visual quality you get without any kind of headache. Well, I think everyone needs are different. So do let me know in comment box what's your deal breaker about Gamma and what do you feel is the best feature of Gamma for you and what do you think is lacking in Gamma for you. And yes, if you haven't yet tried the Gamma and want to try it for free, I have mentioned the link in the description. Just click on the link and enjoy it for free. Now let's talk about the pricing option. Gamma has different pricing options. It has a free plan that's super functional and most solo users won't hit any major limit in the free plan. But if you want some extra features like branding, analytics, or team features, or you want to use it on a regular basis, then the paid plan starts from $8 and goes up to $15 per seat per month. The free plan of Gamma offers 400 AI credits, and remember, it's 400 lifetime credits and not monthly, which means you get it only once. The free plan has some basic AI image generation and capability to generate up to 10 cards per presentation, which means kind of 10 slides per presentation. And many other features like 20,000 AI tokens. You can even add other users in free plan, import or export in different formats and generate website. And of course, all the output will have Gamma watermark in the free plan, which I know kind of sucks. But if you need more, you can upgrade it to Plus plan, which is $8 per seat per month, in which you get unlimited AI creation with some advanced AI image generation model and capabilities to create up to 20 cards per project, which means 20 slides per presentation. You get 50,000 AI tokens in Plus plan and output is without Gamma watermark along with some more additional features. And if you still need something more, then there's a Pro plan for you, which starts from $15 per seat per month. It offers everything in Plus, but with some added advantage like premium AI generation model, advanced AI editing, which means you get option to select which model you want to use for AI generation or AI editing from their list of models, along with 100,000 AI tokens. And here is where Gamma seriously over delivers in the pricing. With a single subscription plan, be it any plan, you get all the features like presentation, documents, web publishing, and social post generation, which means all their products and offering in a single plan. You don't need to upgrade to use their different products. So no upselling, no separate tiers for each tool, just one plan that does it all. And I think this is one of the best thing about Gamma that makes it way more affordable than stitching together a lot of different tools like PowerPoint and Canva, Notion, Website Builder, and a lot more. Now let's compare it to some big and most popular tools in the market which already exist, like PowerPoint. Compared to PowerPoint, Gamma wins on design, speed, and ease of use, but PowerPoint still has some deeper animation and transition tools and flexibility which Gamma lacks. However, considering its speed and overall output, I think it does pretty good job overall compared to PowerPoint, and it's more than enough for most people. Another big name is Canva. Now, Canva is better for pure graphics design for sure, but Gamma wins for text heavy and interactive content for presentation and website layouts. Next is Notion. Now, Notion is definitely great for knowledge sharing, but Gamma is much better for presenting that information. So overall, I think Gamma lacks something compared to these tools, but if we see the whole picture, Gamma is a great tool over each of these in terms of features, speed, and output it offers. So to conclude, I really believe Gamma app is a game changer, especially if you're someone who wants to make clean, modern presentation without design headaches. It is fast, smart, and evolving quickly. It may not replace PowerPoint for everyone, but for me, and probably for you, and probably for many people like us, it is much better option. So if you want your presentations to feel like modern web experience and not a classroom slideshow from 2012, definitely give Gamma a shot. I have kept the link below in the description if you want to try it for free and see if this is the right tool for you. And if you want a full step-by-step tutorial, then do let me know in comment. I will be more than happy to create a tutorial video for you. And please make sure you are subscribed and do hit the like button and share button. It really helps a lot. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.